The Fashionpreneur Academy is an amazing online coaching curriculum, and we help amazing clients launch and develop their fashion businesses.
People want to know who you are. They want to know what you offer. And for the most part, the people that are buying from you, your consumers, they want to know who they're buying from. When they know who they're buying from, they're more into to buy into you.
It costs to invest in yourself. So there was a certain level of insanity that me and Shea had that was very similar in the both of us. And that insanity got us to where we are today.
A full look is easier than selling one piece because you still have to put something together. So don't just get a shirt and then you go get a pair of pants out of your closet and present it because they gonna want to know where them pants from. Get all the money, honey. The goal is to spend as little as possible, but maximize the profit.
Decide if you want to offer wholesale. It's something cool, but be prepared for the volume, number one. And number two, you're letting everybody sell your design. You got to be comfortable with that. I became uncomfortable after a while.
He comes to pick up the checks. He comes to pick up the cuts, brings them down to me when I can't find a parking spot. All right, ladies.
Today was phenomenal. We have wrapped, yet again, another tour.